This is the last little view of my build. This whole front area is my public donation area. The barrels to the left are where people picked up orders or left stuff for me. The chests are all various organized areas that I leave extra or in for people to come grab. I can even leave name ideas for my pets. The little things like furnace, crafting table, etc. They're all free for people to use if they need to. That thing I just opened was the die hole. If PPL wanted to go back to their spawn, they could just off themselves to get it over with. This is my extensive sign wall. I love this so much, and we'll likely make another sign wall in other seasons. You also get daily rewards on this server, which is very helpful. Better peek at my sign wall. Pause to read if you want. You'll get a better view of the large build later in the video. Ignore the zombie as I run for my little life. These are my special tools there. You have a chance to get at the rainbows. I decided to collect the mushroom tools this season. Die. God, anyway. Here's the general living area. I built it all by hand minus the fireplace tutorial based, but I still built it. My mob head collection smiley face. My fish collection upstairs. My wife gathered them all for me. This under area was a crazy part to build, as those wood bits on the wall are supposed to look like tree roots. I don't think I did a bad job, though. This used to be a cave, but I spruced it up to make my sniffers a bigger enclosure. Low taper fade is my favorite LOL. I love soup dumpling as well. You can see the really bad star I tried to incorporate into the floor upstairs. This is my AXO exhibit. There's way more of them than there looks like. This hallway is completely useless, but alas, there are other cool tunnels. I'll show you where all the AXOs are hiding instead. It's so irritating because I don't know how to keep it from happening. There they all are, the idiots. This is the upper area. The roof took like 0.3 million years to build, but other people that helped me finish it, thank goodness. Bubble the door is so loud, help. Time for an inventory check. Feel free to skip through. You're about to see crystals. I think they're just the you. Mine to get them with a different picture and name. But I love them, SM, they're so pretty. I don't even remember how I acquired all of these books, but oh well. This is from a chicken me, and my GF saw, and I swear it had a scarf on. But my sword had flame on it, and I accidentally killed it. This is another way for people to get back to spawn. You just jump. I love how this hot tub looks, and I'm so happy I built it. Very pretty. Cute little maps people made. These are only a few of my dogs. I had more and cats too, but they were in a spot I forgot to record. Going down the stairs to show you the other dot entrance to the secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel. My froggies are in here and their names are even sillier than the sniffers. Up this way leads back up topside. You're about to get a better view of the full build. The bottom of the flowers look a little rough, but the stained glass is low-key my favorite part. Down this way is a whole cave system. I plan on making and mining, and I was going to make it the Mattie tunnels. This area is a main wait area to enter the cave. Cool idea in hindsight, but I made it way too late in the season to be any sort of useful. This is my personal portal. I made the dot outside all fancy and had to dig up from the mine shaft I found it in. I didn't even rebuild it. I just found it in the beautiful state and just added filler obsidian to get dotted up and running. You may get dizzy while it keeps spinning. Feel free to jump ahead. Here it is. You can still see the mineshaft entrance I blocked off. Now onto my trial chamber that I made into a public farm type deal. This is a home base area where you can set spawn dot and keep all of your trial loot and food if you need to. There are signs all over the place to help guide people, especially start or exit. Signs so they can find the beginning. This is a separate spawn area. Another break for loot and basic amenities. Thank you for watching my videos, and following me through my season. A new season has started, and this means new builds and new adventures. Also, look how tiny I am. Love you, bye.